welcome to Align BC Airlines! Kamusta kayo lahat?
We're here to nourish your minds with knowledge and inspiration.
Hi, I'm Conrad Austria. Currently, I'm the one handling the generator group. Today's event is more on assessing what's our real score about our performance in general. At the same time, if we are really on track on our year objective.
I'm happy, and basically it's a new environment for me to showcase what I've got, what I can give to the company as well.
We are planning to add up more engaging employee engagements this second half of the year, and it is more on the cognitive, physical, and emotional.
MYGA 2024! Team ABC! Bigyan ng jacket yan.
To review ano yung nangyari in the first sem, di ba? Ano ba yung tinitingnan natin na dapat ma-achieve this 2024?
Align Business Corporation, as we grow, nag-expand din yung mga bagong products natin. Kaya we are proud to say na unti-unti na rin tayo nag-enter sa box segments. We aim to be the #1, not just in the sachet segment, but also sa box.
So in order to support all the company's department is very cooperative, kailangan aligned with other departments talaga lahat ng issues. Merong mga brand initiative activities na ginagawa ang marketing department so that it can help boost also our sales.
Our goal is in accounting department is not just to collect, but to collect effectively, efficiently, and on time.
And to pay on time to our beloved suppliers and to support each department for their goal to commit the project and plans for 2024.
Let us all welcome our Miss Great Lengths Eye Color Plus and Miss Cosmo Philippines 2024, Maria Atisa Manalo!
Ayan yung promises ng reward. So, let's go! 450!
450!
I am Maria Atisa Manalo, your Miss Great Lengths Eye Color and Miss Cosmo Philippines.
We would like to thank each and everyone for their contribution to make this objective happen.
You have to be reassured that at the end of it all, you're not doing it alone. You have someone who was able to do many things in the past and continues to do it today.
First of all, we would like to give thanks and glory to God that He entrusted Align Business Corp to us.
And we also give thanks to our team that everything, their support, that we acknowledge how they build the team.
And as one, we are united to achieve one common goal.
We know that reaching the goal is not easy, but with God, all things are possible.
Let's do this, Team ABC!